Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add exclusions in Windows Defender on Windows 10. Type Windows Security. Click Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Click Add or Remove Exclusions under Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion. Select File or Folder. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.